welcome back everyone. So today, well I should say yesterday, we discovered a problem, and this is the upstairs closet. As you can see, we have water problem. So now we are locating the problem. I don't have my tripod, so we're just winging it. So I've discovered that I don't know if you can see it, water is dripping off of that nail. That's an outside vent on the roof. And I went outside and looked, and I think the problem is there's snow around the outside of it. It's melting down. Obviously it's along the roof I have all these vents, and underneath I put these little, they're just a disposable, I don't know, like cook pans, because sometimes I've had in the past these vents would like let snow kind of blow up in here, and I didn't want it to get on here and get everything wrecked. I also gotta probably dig that up because that's where all the wet insulation is, so that doesn't get all gross. But the pan has completely filled up with water, so now I gotta figure out how to get that off of there without spilling it. I think I might just get a big storage bin out of the attic, or second attic, and put it under there and just dump that into it, and then figure out how I'm gonna keep the leaking issue from leaking. And I just put these screens over the top because just to help prevent bees from, wasps and stuff getting up in here, because that's kind of annoying too. Okay, well this is the best place I can put the camera without it just falling into the insulation. So I managed to get a bucket up here. My thought process, I'm going to try to siphon some of the water out, and then dump, there's actually like a big chunk of ice in there, so dump that out, and then hopefully if I leave this bucket up here or something to at least kind of catch the water. It's supposed to rain. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta probably get a hold of somebody in the roofing world and see if I can get them to come out, because it's not leaking. Like, I don't feel any moisture. There's nothing wet. It's just that spot that's dripping, and it's weird. It's like maybe around the back side of that. No, I'm not gonna monkey with this. I'm gonna end up spilling this. Hopefully I can siphon this without ending up drinking some delicious roof water. Yeah, see, we're sucking some water out of it. As you can see, we have some delicious ice forming. And I don't know if I'd been better off having never put these things up in here, because for one, it was a pain in the butt. And number two, it looks stupid. And 90% of the time, it never really has anything in there. I would imagine somebody that's in the roofing world, that does construction, whatever, could tell me if you ever get snow blowing into like your vents in your attic. If you have a little bit on top of the insulation, if it just evaporates, or if it really matters if you get a little bit on top. Obviously in this situation we got a lot of water down in there. It's completely dry. I wonder, maybe I can get lucky and just go out there and just goop the crap out of it. Maybe it's kind of coming up underneath. I mean, the shingles are right there, so it doesn't look like it would wash up. But it's melting. Like I said, that's dry. So maybe we can get lucky and just seal up that nail, or at least start with that. Oh yeah, there is quite a bit of water in there. All right, well, I'm gonna let that siphon, and then I'll get back to you. All right, well, we're on the roof, and I think I have found the problem. We have one single nail. I have my sealant. I'm just gonna put some along that to help seal it up, and then put a little bit over the top of that nail. And I also have another vent that's the same way on that side, so since I'm up here, I might as well do that. There's some on the back side of that, but I'm not going on that one because that one's really steep. So now we play the waiting game. Got that sealed up. As I'm sitting here editing the video, I noticed that where that nail was, it looked like the hole was actually a lot bigger. I don't know if it's, I don't know why it would all of a sudden open up, but it just looked like there's certainly a wider opening on there than it should have been. So I sealed that up and went around the edges. Probably, honestly thinking about it now, it's probably just that hole next to the nail, and hopefully that's it. And I just did a little overkill, and besides making a sloppy mess up there with all that sealer, hopefully we eliminated the problem, but unfortunately I won't know until we get some more snow melting up there, or I think next week it's supposed to rain next couple of days here. So I'm gonna go back up in the attic and check that out. I really hope that takes care of the problem, because like I said, everything around it was dry. On the inside there was nothing else on there that felt damp. I guess the only thing other than if the leaking issue is fixed, I still have to go up in there and get the wet insulation out, and then just make sure everything's dry, and then cover that spot back up with some good insulation. And then obviously you got to figure out the repainting that area, sealing up that spot on the drywall ceiling. So other than that, another project that I didn't want to do, that had to do, that is done now, hopefully. So the joys of owning a home. I think it'd just be better to rent. It's the worst. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you later.